Yeah, runtime error. Shoes size map. Okay, map has some problem. Don't worry, it's under control. Because here, because all in all, the topic of this challenge is to use a counter. To use counter. Uh, so here we need to implement a function counter to group it. To group it. Why? Because as you know, this like this number, whatever we entered, is random without any order. So in order to group it to make it in a proper way, like for example here, like the somebody randomly enter some repeated number, right? And then we use function counter to make to segregate segregate it, to differentiate it with the number of the elements and the element itself, the items itself. So like for example, after group after enabled the function, it will become from the original data to this data, yeah, to be precisely. So is we count there one two, like one shoes with size 2 and one shoes with size 3, one shoes with size 4, two shoes with size 5, two shoes with size 6, yeah, likewise. So that is the, yeah, that is the sense of using the counter. And then later here we use this one because as you know here, okay, yeah, yeah, like here, whenever the user type the input, okay, maybe I can show you, it doesn't make okay, yeah, the sense is the first the first value is the size and the second is the price. So that's why we are making here with the size and price to yeah, and to input and to make it repeat for a number of times using for loop to repeat, right? And if this one is greater than 0, and to be frankly speaking, I'm not quite familiar with this line, and I referenced this code with using this website. But after I click the link, like the YouTuber, he doesn't explain, he doesn't explain the function. He just type and execute the code. I already write the comment below, and I will also share the link on my video description to you. If any one of you know what's the what's the meaning of like the shoes and the angle bracket size, square bracket size. So and you please leave a comment below, right? And but briefly, this is like in my understanding is just to let the function to recognize the size and then to check it back. Sorry, I think it's this one. Yeah, to first to loop with to check each size of the user of the user imported customers, and then to let it recognize back with the with the list of the shoes, and then to check where yeah, oh, is size 2 available here, yeah, if it's available, and the deal done, and yeah, if it's available, then we add the income, and then we minus 1 of the number of the size, we minus 1, yeah. So this is the case. And now let's try again to execute. All right, yeah, that's done. But like for this code, we can also make it more simplified. Like probably type this to, and then like instead of shoe size equals to shoe size minus 1, we could put shoe size minus equals to minus equals to 1. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, that's done. And also, I think by default, we don't have to use double column, double quote with the space, because by default, whenever we type split, by default is with a space. So let's try again. Yeah, yeah, that's no problem. And yeah, all in all, thanks so much for following my video. And in the future, if I solve this problem, I will leave a comment on the here. And if anyone know why it works, and please comment on my video below. And anyway, wish you have a nice day. See you in the next video.